here. I just landed just a few minutes ago, and I couldn't drive to Jos. I needed to divert to be here. And I want to say that I was in the Capitol Hill.
Man of God, speak.
I was in the Capitol Hill, and I did not ask for any protocol for me to be in with the members of the Congress. I made my presentation. My presentation was taken. Why should it be in my own country that the citizens cannot go inside the chamber to discuss with the members of the National Assembly? Nigeria doesn't belong to them. Nigeria is ours. The office of the citizen is greater than the office of the president. Enough is enough. All this grammar. I have traveled across this country, 740 local governments. Nigeria has over 96% coverage in terms of network.
Internet, yes.
Why should I be afraid?
Yes.
Why should you be afraid? Transmit result real time. We don't want any jabba language. Straight 2027, there will be no room for the judiciary to manipulate and decide who governs us. What I want to say, the Bible says God has not given us the spirit of fear. Nigeria, no fear. They want you to be afraid. They want to threaten you. They want to run this nation into one party state. It will never happen. We have prayed, and it is time to act. That's why I am here. You can see me on slippers. I dropped out of the car, driving to Jos to stand with Nigerians. It is time we must fight for our rights. We must fight for our rights. As long as righteous people keep quiet, wickedness will continue to prosper. So what we're saying today, whether it is Senator Akpabio and all your cliques, your end has come. If you do not adjust and agree with what the Nigerians are asking, I can tell you, study the history of this country. The end of the wicked has come. That is standing on the righteous position of the God who made the heaven and the earth. Now, Nigerians, I want to ask you a question. You lost over 100 people in Kwara, and every Nigerian is moving as if no soul has been lost. Nigeria should be mourning now. Nigeria should come to a standstill. Hey, Nigerians, it's time to come out of our comfort zone and get on the street. Now let me say this in closing. This is the beginning of the fight. No retreat. No surrender. No retreat. No surrender. No retreat. No surrender. Until we all see the new Nigeria. And we will see the new Nigeria. Congratulations, Nigeria.
If they want to transmit money, then get network. If they want to transmit money and mago, then get network. If they want to transmit real-time result, no network. There must be network. There must be transmission of result. If it's not, we will make sure that that election is done transparently.
You know, us in the north, or we call ourselves in the far north, I'm from Sokoto. The only thing that we have today that is keeping us and giving us hope is this democracy.
That's right.
Nothing. The system has really collapsed where we are. We cannot even vote for the past maybe 60 years. People impose themselves on us through godfathers and money. We want to change the narrative. We want to take away the almajiris from the streets. We don't want them to be using our people to recruit Boko Haram and shout Allahu Akbar when they are slaughtering people. We don't want it to continue. This democracy is our hope. We have to bring good people into the National Assembly. We have to change the system. We are telling them, if they don't want us to do it in peace, we must do it in violence. We can say it. We are not going to mix our word. Yes. We will not die in the hands of the insurgents and the bandits. We must come to Abuja here and die with the politicians that are breeding those criminals in our domain. Yes. We will not stop this fight. Yes. If you are in Kogi, you are in Bayelsa, you are in Iroele, in Sokoto, come out and fight for your children. Come out and fight for yourself. Come out and fight for the soul of this country. Democracy is the soul. It determines everything. And in Islam we are told anything that leads to wajib is wajib. Definitely we are going to be out in mass to make sure that we change the narration, we change the thinking, and we must elect people that will do laws that will make us humans, not to creating animals in the names of people, killing people for nothing, for no justification, and some people are dining and welcoming people to. And also I'm sending this message to those that are supporting them. We will meet them. Let them come and sell this government to us. Thank you very much.
Ate, are you recording?
That's all. Sorry. Not Chapaka.
Move a bit more to engage the central.
No. Don't worry, let's go.
Watch back.
You cannot smile at the front, though. Hey.
No, we're waiting for Prince now.
Where's the tripod?